Hello, welcome back to my live, guys. And this is the earring that I made today from DIY. This is from the necklace that I buy, so I make into an earrings. So look, ang dami kong nagawa. I make a lot, different style. Titigan nyo kung anong diferensya niyan. May kapareho, the same, and different. I love that purple. Ayan guys, ang dami kong nagawa na earrings. Sa isang necklace lang yan. So ginamitan ko ng silver, stainless steel, hypoallergenic hook. So yan, safe. Ang dami na sa tindahan ko.